David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video you're going to learn why there's no easy money when trading. We've all seen the Facebook ads, the YouTube ads about killing it in the stock market and earning 200% this year, and Tim Sykes earning like 300% a year, and you are not going to make money by trading. And I can specifically tell you that the only reason why these people prey on innocent people is that they are trying to buy in. They're trying to convince them that trading is easy and that trading is a very easy way for you to make money. But we all know that the only way that you can make predictable and consistent money in the stock market is by learning a legitimate and verifiable skill. And the only legitimate skill that gives retail investors an edge is learning how to trade and sell, not buy, stock options. Because the Goldman Sachs's, the Morgan Stanley's, they make money by playing market makers. So they make markets and they profit between the bid-ask spread differential. A lot of hedge funds like Bill Ackman and David Einhorn, they're down like 15 or 20% this year, and you think that some criminal like Tim Sykes or some criminal like Jason Bond is up 200% this year? I mean, realistically, like, what do you expect? When you try to make easy money, you are a prime candidate for being defrauded and being taken advantage of. When you sell option premium, you should be able to earn around 30 to 70% every single year. Some years you're going to make less, other years you're going to make more. You're not going to win every single trade, but you should be able to set up your trades so that you can win around 95% of the time. But look, if you don't believe me, if you want to believe that like the Ricky Gutierrez's, the Cameron Faust, and all these people who have amazing marketing, by the way, they use affiliates, they create fake websites and fake testimonials, they use bullshit systems like Trustpilot.com where, as you've already seen, they write their own reviews and they use fake reviews. You should never trust Trustpilot.com. But trading is not easy, and making money is not easy. It's not. Like, you need to learn a monetizable skill. And the only strategy which is consistently profitable for retail traders is selling option premium. That's it. So you can learn from me, you can learn from Tasty Trade. I don't agree with everything that Tasty Trade tells you. I think that they rely too much on high IV and they're pretty indiscriminate in their choice of underlying stocks. They tell you that you should sell spreads and the call side gets challenged significantly. I definitely don't agree with Option Alpha. I don't think that he makes any money. He tells you to trade and sell iron flies, which is ridiculous, because you're selling spreads on ETFs and you're making countless adjustments. I just definitely don't think that he makes any money when trading. But hey, Tasty Trade is fine too. If you want to learn basic concepts, and that's fine. If you want to really step up your game and maximize your profits and make a lot of money, then you can go to beststockstrategy.com/memberships and sign up for either my education course or the real-time trade alerts. It's the only legitimate real-time trade alerts available in the stock market. But just real talk, if you want to make money in the stock market, then you're going to have to learn a legitimate skill. There's no easy money in the stock market. And if you're not okay with earning 30% every single year, 50% every single year, how much money do you think you're going to make by trying to flip houses and own real estate, which is extremely illiquid, right? You're going to invest with Grant Cardone and you're going to give him money for the down payments on his properties, and then you're going to earn pre-tax like 10%, and he's going to tell you that he did a great job. I mean, 10% is great pre-tax, but there's real estate is extremely illiquid. You have to find tenants, and here there is tremendous liquidity. You don't have to find buyers, you don't have to find sellers, and you can easily make 30% every single year part-time. But if you want to make more money, then go sign up for one of these criminals products and then lose all your money. That's completely cool with me. But you can also go to beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email, and receive free information. And additionally, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Thanks.